Morning, this is Falolo to channel. Today is Friday Bonanza, 26th of May 2023. Yesterday, our 69 banker dropped 70, went plus 1. The 69 banker dropped 70, it went plus 1. But no problem. Today is Friday Bonanza. And I've seen some plan for Friday Bonanza on board. 2022, this plan dropped just last year. It dropped in machine side just last year, 2022. Now, when you come to Friday Bonanza 2022, event 731 machine inside. When you come to machine inside, you see that 83 drop at last box machine. The plan is playing from machine inside. 83 drop at last box machine. When you go to the winning side, you see two numbers slapping each other, making addition 53. 26 plus 27. When you add them, you get addition 53. 26 plus 27, you get 53. 6 plus 7 is 13. 3. When you add this one, it will be 3. 3 plus 2, 5. You get to addition 53. 83 drop at first box. Last box rather. 83 drop at last box rather. When you go to the winning side, you get to addition. Two numbers slapping each other, making addition 53. 26, 27. When you add them, you get addition 53. Now, after the 83 drop at last box with addition 53, following week, when you come following week, you see that 18, four numbers dropping, 18, 72, 65, 41. You see four numbers dropping. After the 83 drop at last box with the addition 53, you see four numbers, 18, 72, 65, 41. Where do these numbers come from before they drop? When you stand and where the 83 drop at last box and you count 14 weeks up. 14 weeks up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the continuation. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 weeks up, which is event 718. Event 718. You see your four numbers here. You see your 65, 72. On top of it, you see your 18. When you go to the machine, the winning side, you see your 41. 41, 65, 72, 18. These four numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. The four numbers should come and drop. 65, 72, 41, 18 to come and drop. Before that, I checked the plan very well because we will compare it to the new one. You see that on top of it, you see that 50 was locking the event. They use 50 as a key to lock this event. 50 as a key to lock the, when you count the 14 wins, on top of it, you see 50 dropping in the winning side to lock the event before you get your 41, 65, 72, 18, your four numbers came to drop. Have you seen? 41, 65, 72, 18 came to drop. Now let's compare to the current and see. When you come to the current 2023 Friday Bonanza, 2023 Friday Bonanza, when you come to the current, see something here. When you come to event 791, 83 drop at last box. You can see a last box winning. The first plan was playing in machine inside. This one is playing in winning inside. Just last year, this plan drop. 83 drop at last box winning. When you go to the machine side, you see your addition 53, 16 plus 37. Two numbers slapping each other to get your addition 53. 16 plus 37. You can add and see. You can add the 16 plus 37. 6 plus 7 is 13. 3. Is 13. 3. We add this one to 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 53. You get your addition 53 again in machine. 83 drop at last box winning. When you go to the machine side, you get your addition 53. Now the plan says that we should stand here and count 14 weeks up to get our four numbers to come and drop. Therefore, when we stand here and we count 14 weeks up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 weeks up, which is event 14 weeks up, which is event 778. On top of it, you see your 50 center box locking the event, like the way the previous one confirmed. The previous one, 50 locking the event, locking this event. When you come to this one too, when you count the 14 weeks out, which is event 778, on top of it, you see 50 center box locking the event. Now, when you come here, you say two numbers from this event, two numbers from this event, and machine side, the number at last box. When you came, when we come to this side, you see that the number at last box in winning, which is the machine side, the number at last box came to drop. Now, when you come here too, two numbers from this event. The event is 58, 42, single 2, 74, 40, 40. When you go to the machine side, they say the last box number, which is lapping the fourth highest, which is lapping the fourth highest number, which is 31. When you come here too, the 41 was lapping the fourth highest number, 54 is the highest number, 38 is the second, 18 is the third, single 5 is the fourth highest number. The number on top of it, which is 41, should come and drop with these four numbers, 65, 72, 18. Now, when you compare to the current to the same thing, the last box number, which is 90, is slapping the fourth highest number. 84 is the highest, 57 is the second, 40 is the third, fourth highest number, which is 31. The number on top of it is 90, plus two numbers from this event, 58, single 2, 75. Now, why do I pick the single 2, 75, 58? Now, check something here. When you come to the previous plan, you see that where the 50 lock the event, the 18 on top of the event, 18. You see that 18 drop and repeated again with two numbers on the event. You see that 18 drop repeated before it dropped to the 65, 72. Have you gotten the plan? Now, when you come to the previous plan tour, you see that 75 drop and repeated again. Have you gotten the plan? 75 drop repeated again with two numbers on the event. So 75 is our first number there. 75. Then the last box number in the machine side, which is 90, we pick the 92. Then how do we pick two numbers from the event top? Now, when you come to the event and you see that 72 here, when you count, you see that 72 in 7 weeks up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks up rather. 72 from there came to drop with the 65, with the last box winning number. Have you gotten the plan? 6 weeks up. Now, when you come here, the previous one, when you stand at the event, say 6 weeks up, the number should come and drop back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you count 6 weeks up, you see a single 2 there, jumping to come and drop in the event. Have you seen? Come and drop with the last box to the first box winning number, 58. Here too, if you come the previous planner, the 72 jump in 6 weeks, jump to come and drop with the last box number, first box number. The 72 came to jump in 6 weeks down to drop with the last first box winning number. When you come here to the same thing, when you come here, you count 6 weeks at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single 2 jump to drop with 58. So today, these are the numbers I have today: 75, 90, 58, single 2, 58 single 2. I like 58, 50 single 2, 90, or 58, 90. I like these two short. But my brothers and sisters, you can add the rest of the 42, 74, 40, because Lotto is sometimes tricky. Sometimes you can add the 40 on the event, 42, 74. Let me write it on a sheet of paper so that you can see it clearly. You can add the 90, 58, single 2, 75, 40, 42, 74, making 7 numbers. You can pen them small to check it. The two short is single 2, 58. I like this two short. Single 258 or single 290 or single 290 or 58.75. You can try these two shots, 58.75, single 290 or single 258. Thank you very much. This is Follow Lotto channel. Today is Friday Bonanza. Friday. You can try this number small. This is Follow Lotto channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that when I post new videos, you can watch them. Thank you very much.